Hi, I'm Skyler Low, Senior Financial Analyst here at MyCarrier. As a finance professional, my goal is always to ensure accuracy in the financial statements, while being efficient with my time, saving the company money, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. I know, it's a lot easier said than done, but that's why I appreciate what MyCarrierTMS does for freight accounting teams like yours. The platform makes controlling freight costs easy and streamlines all of your tedious day-to-day processes like digging through handwritten paperwork, handling invoice discrepancies, and hounding other departments for information about a shipment. MyCarrierTMS provides a central repository for all the data and information your team needs, which makes reconciling invoices a breeze. Once logged in, your team has instant access to weighing and inspection reports, shipment costing reports, original signed BOLs, and other essential documents. You'll also have easy access to the data needed to negotiate better carrier rates and save money on future shipments. From one accountant to another, MyCarrierTMS will make your job easier by providing the visibility and tools needed to reduce shipping costs without the stress.